could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me,
Hello you guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and I am doing well too. So this is Khushi Rajput and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. थंबनेल देख के आपको पता ही चल गया होगा कि टुडेज लुक इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय श्रेया जैन। और जी हाँ, मैं आज उनका लुक क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ और क्रिएट कर चुकी हूँ। सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। Starting with the moisturizing part, and I will apply moisturizer all over my face. After that I will be using a primer to block my open pores. Then I am using this Inside Cosmetic weightless foundation and blend it all over my face. After that I will be using a concealer stick, this is from Oliva, and apply this all over my pigmented area on my face, and with the help of a sponge or a beauty blender I will blend it out. To fill my eyebrows I will be using a kajal pencil, and with the help of a spoolie brush I will set it. After that I am concealing my brows to give a perfect shape and blend it. After that I am using this Inside Cosmetic translucent powder all over my face where I feel like setting up. See how am I doing. With the help of a brush I will spread it out all over my face. So after that I was very excited to use this Beauty Grace color boat palette. This has 3 boats in it. So I will pick up this yellow shade as my transition shade, and trust me guys, it was very good in pigmentation. Then I will use this orange shade and apply all over my eyelid area and try to diffuse them. So as you can see, then I am taking this black color and spread it all over my eyelids well. This needs a lot of finishing. So we are done. So guys, I will take the same shade under my waterline area and smudge it with a smudger. See how I am doing it. Now I am taking this kajal pencil from Stay Quirky, and this was quite good in pigmentation. So I thought of applying this and smudge it with a smudger. See how I am doing it. At last I will apply this orange shade under my eyes and a golden highlighter in my inner corners to give a finished look. Then I am applying these lashes. I will apply glue and give it a 5-second rest. Then I am bronzing my face with the help of bronzer, and this palette is from SFR. So see how blending is important. At last I am contouring my nose, giving it a sharp shape. How can we miss this blush part? This is my one of the favorite makeup stuff, and I will apply this on my cheeks. See how the look completely changed. This is very tricky part of my makeup. It's too struggling for me. Somehow I managed to wear these lashes, but after that when I see my eyes, it were looking very beautiful. See. After that I will give some volume to my lashes. This mascara was from Hilary Rhoda. After that I will outline my lips to give a perfect shape. I'm using this nude color lipstick. This was from NY Bay and my absolute all-time favorite lipstick. At last I will highlight my cheeks. See, highlighter just changed the all makeup. Then I will take some more highlighter and apply it on my nose bridge, on my high points. At last I will set my face with the help of this makeup fixer. This was from Blue Heaven, And here we are done with our makeup. So yeah guys, this is my final look. The look inspired by Shreya Jain and I am pretty loving this look. और ये बहुत ही beautifully complete हो गया finally. I was struggling a lot to create this look क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ना ट्रिकी है. आपको लग रहा होगा कि बस मैंने 2 शेड्स यूज़ किए, थोड़ा सा रेडिश ऑरेंजिश एंड देन ब्लैक, बट नो, इस लुक को क्रिएट करने के पीछे बहुत सारी मेहनत लगी है. सो गाइज, अगर आपको ये लुक अच्छा लग रहा है या आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप तुरंत से जाके मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, गो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल नाउ एंड हिट दैट बेल आइकन फॉर द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स एंड नोटिफिकेशन. ऑल्सो गाइज, मैं इसकी फ़ोटोज़, पिक्चर्स और IGTV भी शेयर करूँगी अपने इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे, जो कि है grooming_babe. So if you are not following me on Instagram, go and follow me there. Description में link है, so yes, you can follow me there. So yes guys, this was today's video. I am ending this video here right now. So till then, stay safe, stay at home. This is Khushi Rajput signing off. Bye bye.